are just whining. The tree paint doesn't start till tomorrow or the day after.
Yeah.
All right, everybody get set. Going in 3, 2, 1, begin. Keeping it real. Come on, Rick. It's moving. You're gonna hear Ethan. Halfway. Oh, yeah. Must be the toenails talking. Walking him back up.
Yeah.
Abs tight. Now take one move to the left with your left hand and your left leg. Yes, just like that. Now the other way. One move each way.
Yeah, 173. Yeah, try hard enough, Bill.
Tired? Ready for bed? Here's a pillow.
What's that?
Here's a pillow. No, that's my pillow.
What?
You want a little nap?
No nap.
Begin. A little bit lower there, Bill. Rest.
Have a nice nap.
See you next week. No, we ain't done yet. We still got one more.
It was really silly to leave this to last.
Best for last. Best effort.
Oh, I forgot how wedgie inducing this one is.
And jump.